Please, I want you to take this advice from me. Keep creating your contents. Create original content. Upload your video at least 4 times in a week. At least 4 times in a week as a starter. Okay? So that YouTube algorithm will see that you have a bunch of videos, so that when they recommend these your videos, before you know what is going on, when you look one side of the computer, you will see other videos that is coming from you again. So please create this quick one here videos. I believe that some of you have had so many big creators telling you how to grow your social media account, most especially your YouTube, how to grow on your YouTube account. What if I tell you that most of the things they tell you are all lies, and you implementing them on your channel, you are killing your channel? Let's say before they are telling you true, but the algorithm change. Right now, it is no more true. So on this video, I am going to be breaking them down into 5 different steps in order for you to understand what they say before, which is no more true now. So let's start. Number 1 lie big creators tell you is that you need subscribers. For you to survive on YouTube, you only need 1,000 subscribers, okay? You need only 1,000 subscribers, not bundles or billions of subscribers without views. This lie made a lot of new creators start buying subscribers, start putting their hand on other source in order for them to get false subscribers. And at the end of the whole thing, what happened? Most of those creators end up quitting YouTube. Some YouTube end up stop recommending their content. By the end of this video, I will tell you why YouTube stop recommending that's your great content. Okay, the number 2 lie big creators tell small creators is that they should use tags and keyword, and that is the only way their videos will get seen or get suggested by YouTube. But what if I tell you that that's one again is all lies? As a matter of fact, YouTube itself made it clear to everyone that tags itself does not guarantee your video being going viral. Tags plays a very small role on making your videos get seen by people. So if you want to make your videos get seen by people, it is not by tags or by keywords. Do you hear me? Although they play small role, but it doesn't mean that they are the thing that push your video out there. Do you get that? By the end of this video, I am going to tell you why I said so. The 3rd lie big creators tell small creators is that once you get to 200 video uploads, YouTube will start recommending your content or start suggesting your content to others. I want to tell you that it is all lies. As a matter of fact, you can have 6 videos or 14 videos or 20 videos, and already YouTube will start recommending your content. You can even have 2 videos and YouTube will be recommending it. That is how YouTube works. YouTube doesn't wait for you to have a bunch of videos like you having up to 200 uploads before you to start, suggesting your content to others. It doesn't work that way. Another big lie big YouTubers tell small YouTubers is that the magic growth formula. Magic growth formula, it doesn't work. Something like sub for sub, you download some apps, they will channel you to download some apps. When you download those apps, the apps will start showing you other people's video to watch it for some seconds. Let me just say 10-minute videos will pop up. You will just watch it for 3 seconds and they will ask you to subscribe and navigate back to your own end in order for you to get your own sub again. I want to tell you that thing you are doing, you are killing your channel, and you are killing your channel, you are damaging your channel. The 5th lie that big creators tell young creators is that YouTube wants you to upload once in a week. As a matter of fact, I need to tell you the real truth here. YouTube itself doesn't know big creators and small creators. YouTube algorithm will favor big creator and still favor young creator. All what will make you to stand out is your video. Create quality video, create original video. Always think of new thing. When you see someone use a paper and biro, write with left hand, why won't you teach people how to use that same paper and biro on the left hand? I think when you do that, YouTube himself will help push that video for you. In as much as people watch that video and like the video. So you having 1 billion subscribers or followers, as they call it, it doesn't make any meaning or any sense to YouTube that you're having billions of subscribers and you're not having views. You have a lot of people having thousands, billions of subscribers, but their page is not performing well. Yeah, so it is better for you to be having only 1,000 subscribers and you're having millions of views or thousands of views. It will help you go far. Please, I want you to take this advice from me. Keep creating your contents. Create original content. Upload your video at least 4 times in a week. At least 4 times in a week as a starter. Okay? So that YouTube algorithm will see that you have a bunch of videos, so that when they recommend these your videos, before you know what is going on, when you look one side of the computer, you will see other videos that is coming from you again. So please create these videos the way I tell you now and make use of playlists, okay? And you see your channel will start performing very, very well. Remember, most of us are new on this platform. We are trying to grow. So let's do that. If you enjoyed this particular video, please, I want you to take out this minute now, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Drop your thoughts on the comment section below. Let me know what is in your mind. I would love to learn from you as well. Tell me one of the big lies they have told you before. Let's go.